welcome to the Vail Dailies on the hill on the 13th of April, a Saturday. Deep one out here. Another deep day. Amazing how many deep days we've had this season, and it's going out like an absolute lion. The snow has been just falling for 3 days straight now, and today is a bit of an unforecasted storm where they said it was supposed to be nice all morning, and yeah, we're really in the deep stuff here in the Northwoods area. This is the Northwoods chair there. There even is a little sun today. Sun and snow. I have seen a couple sun and snow days this season. When it snowed this much, you've pretty much seen it all. So we'll keep going through the Northwoods area here. Get back right underneath the lift here. Some closing weekend festivities on tap. Pond skimming's going down tomorrow. That's always a fun one. Tonight, some concerts. Steel Pulse, Xavier Rudd. Should be good. A lot of fun things, but nothing as fun as these great conditions we have here. Wrap it up here from the Northwoods, North Star area. Not very many people out here either. What a day. Thanks so much for tuning into the Vail Dailies on the Hill.